Yo, welcome to the beginner's guide to birding with ebirds. Let's get into it. Head over to the ebirds website on your computer or phone to create an account. You will be faced with a login screen. Click the Create Account button below. Fill in all your details and create an account. Once we have created an account, let's download the ebirds app and the Merlin app on your mobile device. You can get these from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store for Android. Let's jump straight into the ebirds app. When you first open the app, you're met with the current date and current time and a big green button to start a checklist. We're going to hit the start button to start our first checklist. The record tracker will help us get our GPS to show us where we have done our birding for today. There will be 5 tabs and we'll get into those in coming videos. Once we hit the first checklist, once we start our first checklist, we are met with a single list of birds and a search box, and we are ready to start logging birds for the first time. I find it easy to search for the birds and search for the names of the birds. To add how many birds you have seen of a specific species, you just need to tap the name a few times and it will start counting. If you don't know the name of the bird, I always recommend trying to grab a photo, and we will look at how you can identify these specific birds in the next video. What's great about using your GPS in the ebirds app is that it will download a list of birds you are likely to see in the specific area that you're in. And it will let you know if these birds are either uncommon or rare, or which is indicated by the orange and red indicators next to the bird's name. ebirds will also prompt you to comment if you see an unusual amount of birds of a specific species, or even an ultra rare bird in a specific area. Once you are done birding in a specific area, it's time to hit the location at the top right to choose your hotspot, or even create your own personal locations. As you can see, ebirds will provide you with a bunch of well-known hotspots that other people have contributed to. Some will be general areas and some will be very specific. Select the hotspot, and ebirds will then download the list and compare your list to that specific list. Once downloaded, if you have any rare species that ebirds will want you to give a comment on that specific species before you can actually upload your list. You can then add information about traveling, how many people you were with, and also share that list with other birders by using their ebird's name. When you're ready, you can hit the submit button, and now you have contributed to birding conservation. See you in the next video.